Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
And there are 7 new faces, 10 women, so with good gender balance. And, we're presenting to the public, to the Jamaican people, a new approach. We have broken out the portfolios into groups, what we call thematic groups around sustainable economic development, transparent and accountable governance, infrastructure and human amenities, and so on. So that, and some of the portfolios we have put together in a new way. So we have social protection with social transformation, and we have also civic protection with productivity. So we're talking about protecting the society and making the society more productive at the same time. I'm seeing it in a more holistic way.
So my viewers and subscribers, want to hear what Mark Golding say. So Mark Golding, he have this lack. You don't have to worry on yourself. The man know what him do. Alright? You hear what him say. So you can't done now with the whole heap of argument about him a shuffle around people. I can't believe someone still go on about this. My viewers and subscribers, we don't have to worry, because we know Mark Golding is a man of integrity. Alright? The People's National Party, PNP, has defended its process of selecting a candidate for the Grangel Division in the Westmoreland Municipal Corporation. Last September, Councillor Lawton Mackenzie rejoined the PNP after previously resigning to sit as an independent in the Municipal Corporation. So there you go. Want to hear what Dayton Campbell have to say. So basically, you might do what you have to do. Listen, these people, they know what they're doing. You understand? They know why they might do this, and they know why they might do them shuffle up, and they know why they might put in different councillors in different area and change up the MP them. Nothing wrong with what they might do. They might do the right thing. The People's National Party, PNP, has refuted Prime Minister Andrew Holness' claim that his administration did not inherit a growing economy. Mr. Holness made the claim while speaking at the weekend. He said the Jamaica Labour Party did not inherit an economy that was carrying in revenue that would prevent taxes being increased, but that the party created one. In response, opposition spokesman on finance and the public service, Julian Robinson, said, contrary to the Prime Minister's comments, the country had 3 years of growth under the PNP leadership up to 2015. Mr. Robinson said the PNP also reduced Jamaica debt to GDP ratio significantly. Data from the World Bank indicates Jamaica GDP grew by 0.5% in 2013 to 0.7% in 2014 and 0.9% in 2015. The Andrew Holness-led JLP government took office in March 2016. So there you go, my viewers and subscribers. You know, so me have to continue dragging the memory, Yes, man, because Andrew Holness are going like say, and them alone create everything. Yeah, listen, the country in a debt, right now, in a serious debt. And who bring the country in a so much debt? To Andrew Holness. Every country the man visit, the man borrow. If I'm a free goodies him a collect, he definitely make sure say him have to borrow from that. I don't know why this man, he just loves so much money all for himself. And this a man who don't want to continue to be Prime Minister. This a man who don't love Jamaican people, man. This a man who don't love nothing about Jamaica. Me have to really wonder if I really Jamaica this a man a born. This a man can't love Jamaica and a move so. Yeah, him a go and like say them create economy. You hear what he say? Him say PNP and that PNP watch. No economic growth never happen. That's that Andrew Holness say, which is a big lie. He just lie. That's all he does. So this is why me I tell you now. We don't need to vote out that demand there. We don't need to vote out Andrew Holness. Right now, there's rumors going around saying you want to push back the election to March, but no Sankey now go sing so. We not allow that, because if that fi happen, we are going to go out and protest against this. This can't be right. You understand me? But tell me one thing. My viewers and subscribers, I'm going to play a clip with a Rasta send a message, you know, and I make them know certain things. So I'm going to take you in the video clip here.
Yeah, man, big up yourself at top of the press. Big up yourself, talk your mind. Yeah, hear me now, young police. Paned was a labourite. I was a labourite before. So Paned used to follow my footsteps because I was in hero. You see what I say? In them young days coming up. You see me? Paned grew with me. My mother was living where I am. You see what I say? And Paned and my other brothers and sisters was there. You see me? I leave the Jamaica Labour Party in 1985 because disrespect of George Edward Phillips Yaga. Well, Paned did continue him thing because I'm going to town now and him start to par with Nuno Puss them and some other Jati them and Dodos them. You know see me? You catch him was a DJ now. You see me? And him a born out ninja man. Yeah. Jati used to invite him in party down there. You see me? Where we go a party down there and Dodo's party we did go this time. And when him draw original gun, at the first I ever hear smut gunshot bust out a rifle. You see what I say? So when you coming out on the media to talk things, get the things facts, because we are here. We don't die out. You see me? And all the information that you are giving is false. You see me? Paned was grudged by the 1 foot brother from Marvally because what Paned used to do. And back to school, him buy school bag books and him give to all of the youth them in a Marvally. The old people in December, him pack up grocery like a scandal bag of grocery and him carry go there. So the Dan, which was the 1 foot boy in a Marvally, get jealous because him say Paned take when him done ship. So that's why him take the hit on Paned. You hear me say? Because Paned disrespect some people. You hear me say? Him disrespect some people because we don't take talk from nobody. We are not a criminal. We don't rob people. You know see me? But we defend our rights. That's how our mother brought us up. So him did a defending one right and him dead feet. So don't come talk some stupidness, man, that you don't know of. I hear you talking about the PMP align themselves with peer criminals. You see me? Peer criminals, you know. That's what I hear you say, you know. And you leave out the Jamaica Labour Party. Because I am coming with part 3 to you, you know, madam. Where all of these gun top killer that the FBI in America, afraid of them. And they was from Tivoli Garden.
My viewers and subscribers, so I want to hear what Rasta have to say. I want to tell me what you think about that and put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Guess what now? Who know, you know, and who no know, just don't know. But if you don't have any understanding, I will go on and put it in the comment section. My viewers and subscribers, I'm going to play a clip with Mark Golden. I want to listen to what Mark Golden is saying keenly, because we're going to elaborate upon this.
The truth of the matter is that they want to separate Portmore from St. Catherine because they feel it will give them a better chance of winning the St. Catherine Parish Council than they currently have. And that is what's driving this. We are prepared to take whatever steps are necessary within the law to protect the interests of the people of Portmore.
My viewers and subscribers, so I hear what Mark Golden say. Everybody knows, say, it is a political strategy. And that Andrew Holness depend because he really want to stay in power, you know. You see, we're going to sign this Samoa agreement, my viewers and subscribers. This a man who want to be president for Jamaica, you know. He want to be president. So what he might do, he might try everything in his power to win the election. And Mark Golden is right. It a push it, the political strategy, because he want to separate St. Catherine from Portmore, a real thing. Yeah, and what Andrew Holness do is wrong. What he do is wrong. You're not supposed to do all of them something there. But this a mania, Andrew Holness, him a worry. He's worried because he really want to win the election. Me tell him all the time on the things are some joke thing. Me remember, him say he want to be the prime minister for the next 20 years. Remember the Samoa agreement when signed up to 20. Well, not up, it's for 20 years. And he can't touch it, nothing can't change, he can't revoke. Until when 20 year up, 20 year up. All when time Mark Golden come in a power, still nothing can go change with that. You understand? Because the amount of money Andrew Holness them take off of that Samoa agreement thing there, they can't even give away a figure. They can't even give away a figure. So Andrew Holness want to be president for Jamaica. That's what he wants, because if him figure win the election right now, Jamaica are gonna be republic, and then him are gonna be the president. And then now Horace Strong are gonna be the deputy prime minister, or the wife are gonna be deputy prime minister. They have it all planned out. This is why we the people have to go out and vote out Andrew Holness when at election time. So you look a trick when you have up, you look a trick when you want to push back election, a foolishness that, and we not allow that. We the people are gonna go out and we are gonna protest. But my viewers and subscribers, don't tell me what you think. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.